Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call Paul. My name is Vivek Kaur and in today's video we are going to learn about Razorpay Payment Gateways integration system. What is actually Razorpay? Why to learn Razorpay? When to use Razorpay? How to integrate Razorpay into our application? What are the advantages of Razorpay? What are the competitors of Razorpay? What are the limitations? Almost everything we are going to cover about Razorpay into our video. So before means in our previous lesson we learned about key clock authentication. Why we should use key clock library of Python for authentication purpose, login system and all. Because it automates or it reduces our hard work to make all the login infrastructure into our source code, right? So for this also, if you are building an application and if you want to earn money from this application, if you want to launch this application into the market and get payments from your customers. For example, if you build an AI application and your charges are like $20 per month, you want to get that $20 bill from your customers per month. How customers will pay you? So you have to write down some kind of code for this, right? You have then a lot of payment methods are there. Some customers wants to pay via credit card, some wants to pay via debit card, Google Pay, GPay, Beam UPI. A lot of UPIs are there. Also, you have to write down code. If there is a payment failure, then a refund policy should be there. The payment should get refund back. So this is very critical thing and highly sensitive thing. People are very cost sensitive towards payment. So before Razorpay, you have to manually write down each and every code and thousands of lines of code. A lot of payment options are there, hundreds of options are there. For each option, you have to write down code. The accuracy of that code should be very high. There should not be any bug. It should be reliable, trustworthy, and this was a tedious task. So, what some people come, this for example, from India, so some developers came, they see the problem and they try to solve this problem. So they launch a system, they build a Python library and the name is Razorpay. And this Razorpay is like your key clock authentication. Means it is similar like that. It is a like a dashboard, and it is a separate system which will take care all your payment transactions and all. Means they have hundreds of functionality present into their Razorpay tool. If any customer wants refund, they have that function. If any person is sitting in London wants to buy your application, which is in India, means you are a developer inside India, and all these things this also taken care by Razorpay. So each and everything, if you want to make payment via credit card, debit card, use API, UPI, Beam UPI, GPay, PhonePe, anything. So all these kind of payment things, payment related, all things will be taken care by Razorpay. You don't have to worry about this. What are the alternatives of Razorpay? Razorpay's alternatives are CC Avenue, PayPal, PhonePe, Stripe. A lot of Stripe is there. Then uh, these are payments. So PayPal and Stripe are for international customers. Razorpay mostly used in Indian market. It is also able to do international transaction as well. The Razorpay is very dominant because it charges only 2% to the customers. Means if there is a transaction of 1000 rupees, then 2% will be the Razorpay fee, 20 rupees. That's it. And this is with Indian region. If it is international transaction, then the fees is something 2.9%. This percentage varies. Okay, so this is for Razorpay, and for PayPal and Stripe, the payment is different. So for Stripe, there is a standard transaction fee is 2.9% for all kinds of transaction, Indian or international transaction. For PayPal, it is more expensive. It is 4.4% transaction fee. So you know means for every 100 rupees it is like 4.4 rupees will be deducted. Plus GST is different. GST is 18%. It is means I haven't calculated the GST. GST is another part. Means 4.4% plus 18% GST. For Razorpay 2% plus 18% GST. It is like that. 18% on the that transaction fees. Means if there is a transaction of 1000 rupees, then 2% is 20 rupees, right? So this is Razorpay's fee, and on this 20 rupees, 18% will be the GST. So it is like 3.6 rupees. 18% on 20 rupees, 3.6 rupees. So 3.6 rupees plus 20 rupees, 23.6 rupees will be the total uh, payment you have to make. So these are alternatives, and why to use Razorpay? Yes, of course, it is cost efficient, means less transaction fees will be there, and of course, as a developer, you don't have to write down all the codes and all for payment system. It is taken care all by your Razorpay, and this is of course you don't have to write down any code, hard code, because there is a risk of hacking, and also the cyber security is also taken care by this payment provider, this payment gateway. In that Razorpay gateway system, you will get all the options like pay via GPay, PhonePe, credit card, debit card, refund policy, net banking, and so on. So this is a theoretical part, and yes, if you want to launch the application on Android store or iOS store, then Razorpay is not required. They have their in-app purchase options. Google handle that, iOS handle that. For Android Play Store, it is like $25 one-time lifetime fees is there. For iOS, it is $100 per year. So they have this standard payment, and you don't have to integrate Razorpay there. But if you want to run your website, means your e-commerce website, you build it from scratch, and you want to deal the all payments from this website, then you have to integrate Razorpay. Okay, so yes, that's a very short introduction about Razorpay. Now I will show you the practical demo. I will build a application in Streamlit FastAPI. Why Streamlit? To for better visualization of the application web view. And why FastAPI? Because FastAPI is better for Razorpay payment gateway integration. So okay, I will show you the code, and I will explain you how we can integrate to our Razorpay, and also I will show you how to create your account on Razorpay. I have created a test account, because for test okay, so you don't have to provide any kinds of document. You just get their API keys and secrets and all. If you want to use this Razorpay payment integration for the production deployment purpose, then you have to submit your genuine documents, like your KYCs, bank details, and so on. Then your actual real payment transaction will happen. So for the learning purpose, we will create a test purpose account, and I will show you the integration. It is very, very easy, very simple. I thought it was very difficult, but it is, I think, 10 times easier than the key clock authentication system. Okay, because no dockers and all, anything, it doesn't involve. Just API key, use the API key, and that's it. Very simple, very simple. Really, trust me. So I will switch to another screen to see the practical demo. So I hope you can see this now. I will just open another screen. All the entire source code is present in my GitHub repository. You can see here. Just so you can see here on this Razorpay. Okay, my GitHub repository is present. Now Razorpay login. I will open Razorpay. We will create the account. I have already created. If you haven't, then you have to sign up, and I have already created, so I will just continue as Vivek. You have to write down your PAN and PAN card number, and your mobile number. Simple things. Continue as Vivek. I will go existing account. Okay, I will continue. So this is my test mode activated, and I have already created, so there is no worry. Just two things it asks, like add your PAN card number, add your mobile number. That's for a unique ID creation, and you will see a lot of options like we see in our kick clock authentication. In previous video, transactions is there, settlement reports, payment links, and so on. Tens of things are there. Test mode, you have to say enable this test mode account settings, and here you will get the test keys. Okay, these are API keys. I will click regenerate, deactivate the old keys immediately. I will show you. So this API key I will copy. I will open my source code. This is my source code. Go to .env, and what thing I have copied? Okay, API key I have copied, and here I will paste my API key. Control V, Control S. Where is it? Okay. Then I will copy my secrets. I will paste my secrets over here. Control S. Okay, Razorpay key ID, Razorpay key secret. Control save. This git ignore I have created, and this is my backend.py all source code. So okay, it's done right now. Now I will go here. I will show you the code right now. So here are few files. Means if you go to config.py, this we have. First of all, I will show you the requirement.txt. These are the libraries. Razorpay. This is the most important library for Razorpay Payment Gateway integration. Then this .env to get access to this .env file, this Python library. Then Unicon is related with your FastAPI, Jinja is related with your HTML, CSS, request is related with your FastAPI. FastAPI is a library, Streamlit is a web frame. Okay, so I will just create a virtual environment, Python -m venv razor env. This is the name of my virtual environment. Then razor env script activate razor razor oh sorry, razor env razor env script activate, hit enter. Yes, we are inside this razor env. You can see here razor env is the named virtual environment is created right now. Now python -m pip install upgrade pip, hit enter. Then pip install uv, hit enter. Now uv pip install -r requirements.txt. uv pip install -r requirements.txt. So all the libraries will be installed right now. You can see now. This is very fast. You should use uv for fast installation. Okay. So it is installed right now, and I have pasted these API keys over here as well. I will do clear. Okay, cls. Okay, now it is clear. Another files I will explain you, like git ignore all kinds of bycache I don't want in my GitHub repository, virtual environment I don't want, .env, and this big files I don't want, so I put it in inside my .git ignore. These are my credentials. So in app.py, I'll just show you. I have imported Streamlit. This is htSli. Then request I have imported. This is the name of my application, and the number one, number two. I have to type. Then if I click on this button, then the result will be number one plus number two. Then another title will be divider. This is premium calculator. So this will be the premium button. Means if I want to buy the premium subscription, means I want to do payment, then I will click on premium calculator. and 10 rupees will be the cost of my application you have to pay, right? Then this will be the button unlock premium, and once I click on this, if I click on this button, then a response will be goes to this create order. So this is a fast API link. Oh, okay, I will show you. So you will get a JSON response. So this 127 8000 is the fast API port, okay, and this create order where it is present here you can see create order function is present. So this is the function create means this is the API root of this fast API, and inside you will get a order create order of 1000. Why 1000? Because Razorpay takes only the least minimum amount, like least minimum currency is what for Indian rupees? It is paisa, 1 paisa. So 100 paisa means 1 rupee. 1000 paisa means 1000 rupees. So 1000 paisa means 10 rupees. And we want this 10 rupees. That's why we have provided this 1000 paisa and return order. Okay. So here in the backend, we have imported FastAPI library. Then from payment, from this file, we have imported create order. And this is our home tab. So in payment.ui, we have imported Razorpay, and from config, we have imported everything. So you can see from config, one second, where is config? So you can see this from config we have seen we have loaded .env, we have imported OS library, and from this .env means this .env file we have imported Razorpay key ID, Razorpay key secret. You can see Razorpay key ID, Razorpay key secret, and where we were previously, yes, in the Razorpay, imported Razorpay, and from Razorpay, this is a client class we have imported, and from this client class, uh, we have uh, we have used this auth, then Razorpay key ID and Razorpay key secret. These are come from this line config file. We have imported everything. Okay. Then this is the function create order, and you will see. Uh, Amount will be amount, that amount is present here in the variable, and in that function, this function you are using in app.py file. Okay. Oh, sorry, backend.py file. Yes, here create order, this order create order 1000 paisa. Okay. And currency is INR, receipt is receipt 001, return data is data, this data we are using. Okay. So, and here requirement.txt we have seen. So everything we have seen right now. I will just open, and I will open the fast API first. So how to open UVCon, uh, UVCon, then app, then main, reload, sorry, UVCon backend, backend. Why backend? Because in the backend file, the FastAPI application is present. That's why we have to write down this backend. Okay. If this app is equals to FastAPI is present inside another file, then we have to write down the name here. Okay. Then backend, and here Unicon backend app, reload, hit enter. Now our backend will run. Yes, it is running here. I will just long press Control, then click. You will see here. I will close it, and application is completed. I will just copy this. Okay, one second. I will copy this, and Control C, and I want to see this over here. Control V, hit enter. Backend is running. Why backend is running? Yes, you can see because of this message on the home page means if there is only one slash forward slash nothing, then backend is running will be the message. So we are getting backend is running. Now I will type docs, hit enter. You will see the FastAPI. In the home root, there is nothing. Try it. So backend is running now. Create order, try it out, execute. You will see this created. We are integrated inside our Razorpay ID. Okay, I will go to my Razorpay dashboard, and here I will see uh, invoices. Let's see, or we will go to transactions, and in transactions orders we will check. So you can see right now it is 6 July 2026, Monday 2006, means 8:05 p.m. So this order is created, you can see here. So from here we have created this order. Now I will go here, and I will open another CMD, Streamlit run .py. I want this. See, I want to see this application right now. So I will click enter. My Streamlit application will be viewed now. Yeah, you can see it is running on 8501 port. Okay, so 8501 port. This is my port. Okay, simple calculator. Now 8 plus 6 calculate. It is put in, so it is working now. Now I want to buy this calculator. The price is 10 rupees. So you can see here, I will also show you the date and time. Date and time 8:07 p.m. 6 July. So this is 8:05, and no more order is created previously. I will create order right now. So I will go on unlock premium, means I will pay the payment, and you can see the payment is done. Amount 1000 rupees. Amount is 1000. Amount paid. Attempts created at these currencies: Indian rupees. Entities order. Order IDs, these notes, offer, receipt, and uh, status is created. So this is done. So I will just go here, Razorpay dashboard 8:05. I will just reload it, and we'll see new order is created on this Razorpay dashboard or not. 8:07. Yes, exactly. 8:07:27. So I will just reload it. Yes. So this is the latest order ID. TAFIE 45 XXN NG X for you. Yes. TAFI E45 HNXG X for you. So this is the order ID, new order ID. So our Razorpay integration is successfully created. We have successfully integrated our application. We have successfully integrated Razorpay into our application. So, and right now this is only for test purpose. If you want to learn Razorpay, if you want to integrate it and test it, whether we are able to integrate Razorpay into our application or not, so you can see here. And if you want actual real-time Razorpay integration, then you can go over company registration, banking, and all. You have to provide your documents and all. So this documentation process you have to complete. Okay. So our application now is having payment system, right? So that's it. So that was a very beautiful moment for me as well. Now we have learned a lot of things. Now we want to earn money from our skills, whatever we have learned. We want to launch it in the market. Maybe it's like luck. Maybe we will earn a lot of money. You see many stories like people sell their application and get 100K, 250K dollars uh, after selling this application. So you can be multimillionaire if you have great idea, and of course you have access to all the AI tools and all. If you have great idea and you are passionate about coding and earning money, so you just build application, deploy it on AWS, whatever platform you want. I have also uploaded a DevOps series. So just deploy it, integrate the Razorpay Gateway, and earn a lot of money from your system. I'm very excited right now because now we learn how to integrate payment system. Uh, in the next video, I'm planning to build some big application in one short video. The video will be live, like it is like within 24 hours how I build the AI application and integrate everything DevOps and all. It's like full stack, restricted power full stack, entirely built by the solo developer, means by me. And let's see, I will also invest some money into it, and I will launch it into the market. Maybe we'll see if I get some revenue or not. It's like okay, I will see, and that is going to be very exciting. Let's see. So if you really like this video, if you like my efforts, stay tuned with me. We both will create something great in the future. Uh, so please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, thank you very much, and bye bye.